Hi everyone, welcome to Python Tricky Interview Questions. Break the trap. Today's trap is one of the most misunderstood quirks in Python. Are you ready? So let's go. Take a look at this Python function. We have a function defined. It takes one input. We are assigning a default value, an empty list. And then in this empty list, we are appending 1 and returning x. Now, what do you think the output of this code would be? We are calling this foo function twice. So what do you think this will return? Most of you would be expecting that it will return something like this. Let's run it and see for ourselves. But wait, what just happened here? For the second foo, it's returning 1, 1. So why is this happening? So the way default argument works in Python is the default argument's values are evaluated only once at the function definition time. That means X is assigned this empty list only once when we run this function. When we call this function, this X remains same. So the same list is reused on each call. This X is created once. It is assigned this empty list once. And every time we call foo, like here we are calling it twice, we are appending this to the same list, not a new one. So this behavior trips even the experienced developers and leads to subtle bugs in the real world code, especially if you're working with any mutable data type like lists, dictionaries, or sets with some default value. So how do we fix this? So what you can do instead is you can create a function, and this X you can assign the value none. And then you can check if X is none, then you can create an empty list, assign it to X, and then do the append. Now this time it should work fine. This will give us fresh list every time. So what did we learn today? That avoid using mutable default arguments in the function definition. Instead, use none and assign the value to X then inside of the function. So that's all for this video. Hit like if this tripped you up the first time, and subscribe for more Python traps and deep dives. Thank you for watching.